Good morning guys, and for today's video we are going to Andelfingen and we will walk in the beautiful nature there, and I will show you the place. See you later. We're going to wait our bus here.
It's your challenge today, Michelle.
Yeah, we are going to walk 6 hours walk.
A little more or less.
More or less 6 hours walk. And our bus is waiting here. Guys, this is the place where we are waiting for our bus, and our bus is every 1 hour, and it will be coming here in 6 minutes. See you. Our bus is coming. That's our bus.
It's a post bus.
Frauenfelden.
Yes.
That's our bus. Can you get inside now?
We'll have to buy it.
That's our
Ja,
bus.
wir wollten nach Andelfingen gehen, nach der Tour.
We're going to sit down here, and we are going to buy the ticket there. The driver. So I'm here now in the bus, and we are going to our destination. See you guys there. Now we are going.
C'est la bonne taille, tu vois. Yeah, it's nice rivers. À l'arrière, c'est marqué.
Two. The big river here. Small garden.
C'est l'école. C'est rigolo.
And now we are going to ride the train going to our destination, and this is the train station of Tugau.
Pour le train.
And that's the train station, and this is the train, and that's the bus stop right there. This is the train station of Turgau, and we are going to ride the train here. And this is their tram. The color of their tram is red. And I'm just going to show you the bus. The color of their bus is like this, and their tram is like this. The color is red and white.
If you want to take a taxi Tesla, you can have one.
And there's also a Tesla taxi there. That's the bus.
Painting?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
We are in the train station waiting for our train, and then going to winter tour, and after we are going to our destination. This is the train station of Turgau. Our train is here, and we're going to ride here. Oh, it's very long. Nandito na tayo sa train.
À la Migros, ça vient d'ici, Chaudière, intermédiaire, aussi la directe. Joli ces petits jardins.
Oui.
La Turgovie, c'est là où il y a beaucoup d'arbres fruitiers. Et le jus de pomme ici, la Ramsayer, non. Le jus de pomme, ça vient d'ici.
Dann sieht man es rot zuerst, es geht nachher Linsen, noch ein bisschen Fleisch, dann noch eine Frucht zum Dessert. Wenn ich jemand, der dann gekommen ist, der Chef schaut dort. Der ist dann mal einen Sitz so draussen gelaufen. Beim Supermarkt fast da. Aber das ist von der Religion her verboten. Vor allem
Ang ingay nila dito sa kabila na
die
to.
Wechsel haben sie auch weggeschoben, dass nicht der Schaltau kaputt geht. Und dann habe ich gedacht, 2 Karrieren. Ja, genau. Nein, und dann weißt du, alles wieder nach der Ferien wieder in den Kopf können.
Ganito yung mga bahay nila dito sa Turgau, Switzerland.
Dann ist es wieder gut. Aber er kann gut reden, aber es fühlt sich auch schon an. Nein, aber auch in der Gruppe.
Ah, there's one train here.
Wenn ich mal noch weg ist, Südafrika.
There's a train station also here.
Weißt du?
Train station also.
Somewhere here, they also be building the trains now.
Guys, we are going to ride again another train, and this is our shop here. Oh no, here, there.
It's this one, yes?
Ah, okay, we are going to ride here in this train. 6 minutes and then we are going here. Yeah, down is okay. We're going to stay down.
Henkart, Andelfingen, Schaffhausen.
We are going to the Andelfingen. Our direction is Andelfingen, 3 stops, then we're going down.
Tous les trains régionaux.
A very cute train. Small.
Turbo, ça s'appelle le turbo, t'as vu? C'est rigolo.
Beautiful house and a beautiful landscape.
Regarde, ils ont mis le nom de la gare sur le bâtiment, c'est rigolo. La maison est très ancienne.
Right. So guys, we are going now, and this is the place we are going to spend our whole day here in I don't know how. What's the name? Andelfingen.
On doit aller au bord de la...
The house is very beautiful. It's colorful. And here is the church. That building is a bank building. And then here. It's beautiful buildings here. Oh no, it's beautiful also, the church.
Is it the church?
No, it's not our plan. It's 1870 they built this. This fountain they built this 1870. Guys, look, the church was built in 1862. It means it's very, very old church. Guys, tignan niyo yung, I'll just wait. Tignan niyo yung mga bahay dito. Sobrang cute. Hanggang doon. Sobrang cute. Guys, look what we see here. I will just go and then film a little bit here. It's a windmill made up of water. No one. And the water is running. Dito siya makikita natin. Okay.
They have a small garden.
Yeah.
It's cute.
Meron silang garden, meron silang
garden.
water, lahat
You
kompleto.
can get water here.
Their house is like this. It's beautiful, it's colorful, and it's all okay. It's wooden made. So ganito yung mga bahay nila dito. So I told them that the house is made up of this type of building. This is a wooden house in the middle of the cement. You heard that? It's your family. Every houses they have this fountain.
Ah, regarde, la maison est construite en 1760.
Ito. Guys, tignan niyo yung bridge, house bridge. Maganda siya. Picturean natin dito. It's beautiful. It's beautiful buildings here. And then you will see here. Guys, we will just see what is inside of this bridge. Wooden bridge. Yeah, I'll just film here on this side. Pedestrian is not allowed to pass here. And we will just film until here. It's made up of wood. Yes, here in this side is pedestrian lane. Pedestrian for walking. And this one is for the car.
1815 already, you see?
This one is very old. It was built in
And
1815.
renovated in 1955.
Okay. And that's the bridge. And here on the other side of the bridge, you can see it here clearly. Guys, you see, there's a lot of flowers here. And our walk will start in this area, and we will do the 6 hours of walk around here. Guys, we continue walking here, and we are in the side of the river. And our theme for today is walking in the nature and in the riverside. And it's very nice. There's a like a waterfall here. And then we continue walking. So guys, we continue walking in this riverside, and that's the river. And
Ça s'appelle comment la rivière?
Turgo, La Tour. The name of the river is Tour. It's very calm. It's very nice. Dito guys, maganda siya. Maririnig mo yung tunog ng river. Ayan. Flowers everywhere. Maganda siya. Fresh air, even though it's a little bit cold, but it's nice.
That's a blow.
Yeah. Look guys, there's a lot of dandelion flowers. And you can hear the sound of the river. And we will do our walk here. We will spend our whole day walking in the nature. Guys, we will continue our walking and then showing you the beautiful pathway here. That side is river and here is a walking side. And doon makita natin madami mga bahay din. And a very beautiful sound of the birds. And there's a lot of flowers here, small flowers, yellow flowers. And that's the river. It's perfect for walking. So guys, meron tayong nakitang village doon. Madami siyang goat.
En fait, c'est encore le canton de Zurich ici.
Ah, c'est canton Zurich là?
Bientôt, c'est sur Zurich.
Ah, okay. So place na to is limit ng Zurich. Dito sa countryside ng Zurich. Pero ano pa to siya? Part ng Turgovie. So yun na guys, mahaba-haba na yung lakad natin. Pero continue pa rin tayong maglakad hanggang matapos yung araw natin dito. So ayun, maganda yung weather, hindi siya mainit at hindi rin masyado malamig. Medyo konting hangin pero tolerable siya, hindi siya masyado malamig. So ayun. Well, naglalakad tayo ngayon, mag-film tayo konti. Yan po, ang ganda maglakad sa nature guys. Super relaxing, fresh air, calm. Ayan.
Ah, I think the couple is up there. See?
Yes. Yan ang other side ng river. Mahangin siya, sobrang lakas ng hangin. Yes, continue tayo maglakad. Wow, here is beautiful because we are in the center of the forest and there's a lot of flowers, there's a lot of birds, and it's very calm and quiet, and you can just hear the sound of the birds. And there's a couple in front of us doing the same thing as we do. They are also walking. Yeah. They gave us a way and they let us go first. Very nice.
And they saved the snail.
Yeah, and they saved the snail. It's a very nice people like this. It's a good example.
People when you were in Scotland,
Yes.
two women.
Yes. They're very nice people also. They're best friend and they're retired. Sa Scotland guys, may ano din kami, activity din kami ganito. Naglakad kami sa nature. May kasabay kami.
Like more activities like this.
Yes. Scotland compare here in Switzerland, they have a beautiful nature. In Scotland also, they have also a beautiful nature. But the problem in Scotland is always raining. They don't have a permanent weather.
Very special thing that you like the most is the variety.
So guys, nagpahinga tayo konti dito sa side ng bridge na to, dito sa side ng river, at then continue tayo. Magpapahinga lang tayo ng ilang minuto. Tapos continue tayo. Guys, tignan ninyo, very calm ang agos ng tubig. Continue tayo maglakad. Nice sound.